she's a psychologist. She very nicely puts it, very short and simple. She says that if your partner has both happiness and some issues too that he or she brings to the table, that is fine. That's a balanced relationship. Your partner is giving you happiness and then they have their baggage. If your partner has just happiness to give and no baggage, hold on tight to them because you find them rare. That's just rare. But if your partner just has baggage to give you, bro, then you pack your bags and you leave. Yeah, so I think back in 2022, I went to the UK for my masters. Now, bro, ऐसा काफी सारे aspirations थे. Okay, it's a very developed country, this, that. And firstly, I think लोग कनाडा को तो बेकार में blame करते हैं. उधर जितने मेरे को Indians लगे, मैं सोच रहा था कि मैं बॉम्बे से सिर्फ कोई दूसरी मेट्रो सिटी में चला गया हूँ. So when I reached the UK, like I think there is a system wherein you have to get yourself a health card and you have to register with a clinic and all. वो सब हो गया था. I already paid like 70,000 for my like the health insurance basically. So I had a health insurance. I had the registered clinic. सब कुछ हो गया था. But I think 2 महीने over there, they were like, it was a friend's birthday. तो हम लोग वो प्रीज करते हैं पहले. So we gone to another friend's place. We did prees. None of us were like drunk. We were tipsy. We were like all good to go. We were gonna go to the club. Now they were like, I think 5-6 girls, another few guys, and there was like my gang, which was like 4 guys. We go down. We call for a taxi. The girls leave first. I was in question, right? One question. Now there are these other 3-4 guys. They're 21-year-olds. Okay, so like हमको तो थोड़ा बच्चे ही लगे थे because like obviously he was like 23-24-year-old. So they also leave, and then we were like 4-5 guys left. And हम लोग सोच रहे कि bro कैब वैब क्या लेनी है, काम करते ऐसे ही जाते क्लब तक चलते पहुंच जाएंगे. It's usual if you go like out, like there's a lot of walking, especially if you go to Europe and UK. Like most of the people prefer walking.
Like cabs are expensive.
Yeah, bro. It's like, especially if you're like on a part-time job and working as like a casual job or something, मतलब 7-8 pound लग जाता है और तू हफ्ते का कमाता 100-150 pound. So we were like, चल bro, let's walk. Now वही होता है कि जब 5 लड़के ही होते हैं तो बकचोदी होना तो बनता ही है. तो we go there, we start walking towards the club. Now I think 5-10 minutes into walking, there is this footpath. So one, it's split into 2 roads. One goes थोड़ा ऊपर into the complex, and one's going straight. अभी obviously थोड़ा tipsy थे तो we climbed the one जहाँ पे we had to go in the complex. So we reached there and हम लोग को पता चला कि अरे यार ये तो we came onto the wrong road. Now अभी this is why I say that लड़कियों तो बकचोदी हो ही जाती है. Instead of going, taking a U-turn, going back and going on the footpath, people just started climbing and just jumping from that railing that we had. Now, bro, I'm standing there and I'm like, okay, chal, it's now my turn. I sit on the railing and I turn. And something happens, my bag gets locked. I couldn't comprehend कि हो क्या रहा है. So I turned, I tried turning my back. It's not happening, something locked. And bro, within that fraction of second, I'm just going down and I fell. Bro, and I fell face flat on that rocky road. Like if you know how there are the roads in Scotland and UK, like the very rocky road.
That explains everything.
So I fell face flat, and till then I didn't know anything. Like what just happened? Like my friend was coming, bro, I just stood up. I'm like, bro, कुछ हुआ नहीं है. And my friend comes and he walks in. He's like, bro, क्या कुछ हुआ नहीं है? तू देख तेरा मुंह तो. And bro, I'm bleeding. Like so this part is all bruised. My nose is bruised. My left side of the jaw is like all bruised up. And it's actually like, it's like all, he put a handkerchief on my face. It's all like dripping blood. It's that. And I'm like, okay, what are we supposed to do now? So bro, now obviously cabs are expensive. भाई वही situation में वो भी सोच ही रहते हैं हम लोग कि भाई cab हो सकता है. So I'm like, fuck it, let's just go by walking. तो ब्रो पहले तो क्या करे, we started walking. It was like a 2 mile walk back to the accommodation. I'm putting a handkerchief on my face constantly. Every 5 minutes I'm changing, I'm taking someone else's handkerchief. I walk to the accommodation. Bro, we go there. They take me to my room and it's all like, I'm still bleeding. They make me lie on the bed and everything, and then they're calling an ambulance because like it was almost like I got concussed. अभी मेरे को तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, मैं उनको पूछ रहा हूँ गाइस एक पेन बना लो अरे गाइस मैं फोटो खींच दूँ, मेरे दोस्तों को दिखा कुछ तो हुआ है, ऐसा रोज तो होता नहीं है. Bro, I'm in the room and they're like, hey, bro, listen, you're talking nonsense. Just like, don't talk. For the next half an hour, just don't talk. Because even when I was talking, they could like literally see everything like all, like, all busted up. So they're calling ambulance. The ambulance like, sorry, we can't come. And they hung up. Like, bro, orders thodi karne ki. What is the, like, 4 people are calling 4 different ambulances. And 2 of them, because they got like totally ignored. The third one is like, we can come in 2-3 hours. Bro, my friends are getting all frustrated there. And मैं उधर पड़ा हूँ, ऐसा मेरे को चुप कर दिया है, मेरे को बात नहीं. It's a very awkward, weird situation. We don't know what to do now. Bro, now, and then they're like, bro, hopes तो है नहीं, ये ambulance मिलने नहीं वाले. They literally got stuff like Betadine, your Gospice and stuff like that. They cleaned my Dettol and उससे clean किया. They got my own everything sorted. And then they were like, bro, this is not gonna like cut it. We need to go to the doctor. Now it's 2:45 a.m. Finally, we book a cab. Because करना ही पड़ा. We go to the AE, which is Accidents and Emergency. And we go there, the receptionist is like, before even I could actually come there, मैं बात करने जाऊँ उसके पहले मेरे को उसने बोल दिया कि आप बैठो. हम बुलाते हैं. I was like, bro, कब बुलाएगी 15 मिनट हो गए, आधा घंटा हो गया. It's 45 minutes when I'm sitting there, I'm all like getting mess, almost सो जाऊंगा उधर, ऐसा ही सीन हो गया था. 3 बज गया था रात के. अभी I'm going and I asked her, I'm like, listen, I had a fall and like my face, as you can see, is busted up. I need some treatment. It's been 2 hours and like the blood's still not stopping completely. She's like, I can't do anything because we don't have doctors.
सुई धागा भी लेके जा रहा था भाई सारे
Bro, and it was very hostile. Okay, they were not even being kind. उनको ऐसा मतलब ही नहीं कि ब्रो बंदे को लग गई है, थोड़ा शांति से बोल. They're like, we don't have any doctors. And then I'm going to another person. I caught the whole of a staff. I told him, listen, all this has happened. Like, are you drunk? Like, no, I'm not drunk. I am here with my face busted up, trying to convince. You think I'm drunk? Bro, if I was drunk, I would have probably.
But what do they mean by कि like doctors नहीं है? मैं तो कुरकुरे का पैकेट है खत्म हो गया कल आना. अरे मेरे को ग्रीन चटनी चाहिए. नहीं आज तो ग्रीन चटनी.
I'll tell you why. So there were 3 life and death cases going on. उसके वजह से they were like, so when like in these countries abroad, usually the norm is that if there are more intense priority cases को you need to first attend. So like we have 3 life and death cases. We don't see that happening in your case. I'm like, bro, ज़्यादा लगा क्या तो चल भाई वापस. We're like, I didn't get something. We're now
7 घंटे
It's very hostile. Okay, मैं ऐसा वापस आके बैठता हूँ. On some seat there is this sad family with a very sad looking kid sitting. I don't know what had happened. Then there are 2 people crying. I'm like, bro, ये तो मेरा दिमाग पागल हो जाएगा. इधर तो कब तक बिठा के रखेंगे. Then finally I got a hold of a doctor. He took me in his cabin. He's like, listen, we don't think so we'll be able to properly treat you right now, but we can just see because you've been bleeding. They checked. They're like, if we do a test, would you be okay? Matlab, drug test or like an alcohol test. Like, yeah, bro, do it. There's nothing to hide. I am sober. It's not. And I'm like, I was not even driving. I just had a fall. He's like, okay, I don't think so. You need stitches, which I think was a wrong decision, by the way. But there were too many wrong decisions already made. So he was like, what you can do is apply ice.
Wow.
Like, bro, at the end of 4.5 hours, it's 3:40 a.m. You're telling me to apply ice. Which I'm not even sure is the best thing to do. Bro, I went in the hospital with pain. I came out with double the disappointment.
And trauma.
Trauma is too good. Let's not get there. I was like, bro, ये कौन सी डेवलप्ड कंट्री में आ गया हूँ मैं. ना एम्बुलेंस वाला बोल रहा है आऊँगा ही नहीं. ये बोल रहा है डॉक्टर नहीं है. तो भाई कौन से हॉस्पिटल क्या आ गया होगा?
बोल रहे हैं सबसे लीस्ट पुरानी क्या बाद में
दुनिया के दुख देखो तुम्हारे कितने
So I had another friend also who had a similar experience. So, and by the way, there are tons of experiences like this. Like, people have been madly disappointed by the healthcare in the UK. Like, I've legit called my mom. I've been like, kuch bhi ho jaye, if when it comes to anything medical emergency, I think there is no way any other country beats this facility that we get in India. Like, ऐसा फैमिली डॉक्टर तो होता ही है, तुम किसी को फोन कर सकते हो, तो कोई चाचा मामा का लड़का निकलेगा, कुछ भी, you will get treatment, bro. That's it. I never got treatment for my injury, by the way. It was all me. Like, it was me, my half-assed drunk friends dealing with it with Savlon, Dettol and Gospies.
I've seen the picture. ऐसे legit बंदे के face से periods आ रहे हैं
Actually, it was very bad.
So like this is like one of the tales from Akbar and Birbal. So उसमें किंग कौन था? अकबर था ना किंग?
अकबर किंग था.
तो so once अकबर tells, ठीक है, बिरबल उसको बोलता है कि ये हमारे देश में like एकदम मैक्सिमम अपना वो ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, वो लोग का ऑक्यूपेशन है ना, कि like what profession are they? तो उसको बोलते हैं तुमको एक दिन दिया है like some X number of days, you go and just figure out in the whole locality or in entire city, ठीक है. तो पूरा गेस्टिमेट ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसा पूरा कंसल्टिंग लिख के आए एज्यूम माय गेस्ट, ऐसा नहीं. वो द स्मार्ट आदमी, ही गोज एंड वो आता है एक दो दिन बाद बोलता है कि अपने में ना सब डॉक्टर है. तो उसको बोलता है कैसे? तो फिर बोलता है कि मेरा हाथ कट गया था और मेरा ऐसे पूरा मतलब कि जो भी हाथ है मैं ऐसे बस लेके घूम रहा हूँ, मेरे को जो दिख रहा है सब बोल रहा है कि इस पे तुम ये लगा दो, ऐसा मतलब कि फिर ऐसा करो, बैंडेज उसको तुम पानी में डालो, कोलगेट लगाओ, ऐसा नॉट कोलगेट एट दैट टाइम, व्हाटएवर यू गेट अप. तो उसने बोला इंडिया में तुमको इतनी एडवाइसेस, इतना जो बोलते हैं ना सलाह मशवरा तुमको मिलेगा ना, कि अपने यहाँ पर अगर इसका होता ना, वो अंकल लोग आते और तो बिलीव भी करेगा बाबा तेरे को एक ना मेरे बिल्डिंग में ना एक नंबर केस भर गया अभी खा के ठीक है. तो एक बंदा, ठीक है, मेरी बिल्डिंग में वैसे एक साल बड़ा एक दिन ना चल के जा रहा था, उसको ना फुटबॉल खेले बहुत टाइम है. अभी हम सब अंकल लोग हो गए, तो हम लोग के एक जनरेशन नीचे मतलब 5-6 साल के बच्चे मतलब उससे नीचे खेल रहे हैं. तो वो जा रहे चल के, तो उसको बुला रहे भैया भैया आओ ना खेलो ना. तो चप्पल में जा रहे अपने घर जा रहे, बोलते हैं नहीं यार बहुत टाइम हो गया. तो बोलते हैं नहीं भैया आओ खेलो. तो बोलते चल ठीक है आ जाता हूँ. वो आ गया खेलने और चप्पल भी खेल रहा है. तो थोड़ा 5 मिनट खेला, उसके पास बहुत पतला, हाइट में भी छोटा है, एक बॉल आई सामने से, उसमें से मारने गया फुटबॉल को, ठीक है. सामने एक थोड़ा हट्टा कट्टा लंबा बंदा खड़ा है उसके, उसने अपना खाली पाव डाला मारने के लिए, उन दोनों का पाव एंटेंगल हुआ और जो था वो बता, ठीक है, पतला वाला ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न होकर गिर गया नीचे और मुंह के बल गिरा एंड ही डिडंट इवन मूव.
Oh fuck.
Didn't even move after like फिर falling. ऐसा वो ऐसा गिरा और ऐसा होता है कि
कुछ नहीं
ऐसा ड्रॉप डेड सब लोग के. और ऐसा धीरे उठा रहे, उठ नहीं, नो मूवमेंट, नथिंग, नो क्राइंग, नो हैंड मूवमेंट, नो फिंगर मूवमेंट.
Actually, he's alive.
क्यों बोलूं मैं?
आखिरी एपिसोड है, पॉडकास्ट बंद करा के जाऊंगा.
ये तो ठीक है, वो ऐसा गिरा हुआ है. आते तो देखा तो खून निकल रहा है पूरा साइड से, बच्चे तो की कान फट गई, ठीक है. वो सबको जा के बुला रहे अंकल आंटी सबको, ठीक है. अभी अंकल लोग आते हैं, वो आंटी लोग आके देख रहे हैं उसको, लाइक कर रहे, कुछ हो नहीं रहा. 2 और एक 5 साल का बच्चा खेल रहा है, ठीक है. वो दूर से देखता है, वो चिल्लाने लगा ही इज डेड, ही इज डेड. इतना अच्छा चिल्ला रहा, ऐलान कर दिया. उधर वो जो बच्चे के ऐसे गिरा ना, जो ऐसा था बंदा, उसकी तो कान फट गई. वो बोला भाई मैं पढ़ना हो गया. फिर आते, अभी उसको जाके लेके जाना हॉस्पिटल के पास, तो हमारे लाइक ऐसा है, ठीक है, बिल्डिंग के पास एक है. तो उसको कैसे लेके जाए, ही इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग. अंकल हो गए और राम नाम होता है ना, उसको लिटरली ऐसा सब लोग उठा के पूरा प्लेन रो वॉक किया है 100-200 मीटर.
तो बापू जी को
पूरा उसको उठाया सबने, 5 वो पूरे अंकल लोग ने उसको उठा के लेके गए कि भाई अब तो उसको हॉस्पिटल के पास लेके जाना पड़ेगा.
उसको होश ही नहीं आया.
नहीं है,
कुछ बंदा
रिएक्ट ही नहीं, इसलिए तो उसको तो उठाना पड़ा. राम नाम सत्य जैसा उसको उठा के लेके जाना पड़ा. और मैं तभी घर पे था, ठीक है, मेरा वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है कोविड के बाद, ठीक है, 2021. मेरे को आया कि मेरा बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंड है, मेरे को मेरा भाई फोन करता, बोलता भैया
भैया गए भैया निकल दिए
200 में बिक गए।
तो मैं नीचे गया तो ना मेरे को ऐसा सब दिखा रहे कि ये कि ना देखो ये कि ये का खून है, ये का दांत यहाँ पर गिर गया। मैं बोला मैं इसी भी प्रद्युमन हूँ क्या, मेरे को ऐसा तुम टूट देखो यहाँ पर गिरा है, यहाँ खून, यहाँ दांत। और सबकी लाइक अभी भी फटी पड़ी है कि भाई क्या हो गया। उसको हॉस्पिटल में लेके गए, उधर भी आंसर नहीं कर रहा है। फिर उसके 10-15 मिनट बाद जाके आँख खुली, फिर उसे रिस्पॉन्ड किया। फिर बेचारा 2-3 महीना खाली फेंको है, डैड स्ट्रॉ वो डाल के पी रहा है, बोल रहा है मैं इसलिए मैं बोला मैं नहीं खेलता, मैं मानता हूँ मैं बुढ़ा हो गया मैं नहीं खेलता बच्चे लोग के साथ। तो बोल रहा है तो ये इंडिया में होता है तो इसलिए कि अगर इसका केस होता ना इंडिया में, अंकल लोग जमा होते हैं चाहे तू रास्ते पे, रैंडम पीपल जमा होते हैं, देखो उठा के लेके जाते
इधर नहीं तो पता है।
और अगर देखो ट्रीट नहीं करते ना वैसे नॉट द राइट वे टू से, बट एक डॉक्टर को पकड़ते
ब्रो डॉक्टर को ठीक करना पड़ता, फिर डॉक्टर ठीक नहीं करता, डॉक्टर को ठीक करना पड़ता। ब्रो आई एम सेइंग आई मेट द मोस्ट बिजार काइंड ऑफ पीपल व्हेन इट कम्स टू द हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम देयर। मतलब ऐसा एक लड़की का पैर वैर थोड़ा कुछ तो हो गया था, शी वाज अ बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर एंड नो शी वाज डैम गुड, like she got selected within a month and all, like at Aston, like the university where I was studying. It was great. Something happened, there was some ligament tear or something. Again she went there, the first day she had to wait for 8 घंटे में उसने वेट किया, कुछ नहीं हुआ, बोला कल आओ। और ऐसा it's like that, you have to tell them that I have this problem, they'll be like okay wait if you want the free treatment, if you want to go private then खत्म ही हो गया फिर।
स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया
लंच है तो तुम थोड़ा संभाल लो अभी तुम bro this like and then that person 2 days she went, at the end of 2 days waiting some 20 hours, उसको क्या पकड़ा यार, उनका यूनिवर्सल सोल्यूशन ब्रो आइस दे दिया पकड़ा दिया, बोला कि ये लेके जाओ 3 टाइम लगाओ फिर देख।
Do you drink ice?
कितने बेवड़े होंगे
ब्रो हाँ बर्फ है, दवाई होना हो बर्फ है।
बट लेकिन कुछ अलग ही लेवल का कुछ चल रहा है, मतलब और
Like no fucks given कि
तो वहाँ पर डॉक्टर्स क्या पढ़ रहे हैं मैम, वो रमिया का आया क्या क्या बता रहा था भाई, ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ, वो सोचता उसके अगर हर सेंटेंस में बर्फ दे दिया
केला गुस्सा है बर्फ
बता दे।
ब्रो फिर मनूस लोग होते हैं, उनको तुम्हारी कुछ पड़ी नहीं होती है, तुम आए हॉस्पिटल में उनको ही पता है कि अभी इतना वेटिंग है, कुछ होने तो नहीं वाला, तो दे आर जस्ट गोना टेल यू टू सिंपली वेट, then nothing else, nothing doing, then audience going to make you fill a form, you will be like bro कुछ करो यार, कोई फॉर्म दे दो, कुछ दवाई दे दो, कुछ नहीं, वो लोग 8 घंटे रुकाएंगे फिर उनका सोल्यूशन एक ही बर्फ दे देंगे, that's it, game over.
Where I read out Twitter opinions, any unpopular opinion which will get you in a troubling position, like or you know people might turn on to you कि भाई ये क्या बोल रहा है, ठीक है। So the first opinion is about dating, as usual as it is always about the experts. Yeah, and actually like the opinion is you get into a relationship to learn how to love each other. You're not supposed to automatically, you know, people assume this and are too quick to break up.
Okay.
See, I don't I don't think I clearly understand the meaning of that you learn to love each other, right? So the opinion was you get into a relationship to learn how to love each other. So I don't understand to learn मतलब like post action मतलब क्या language genuinely नहीं समझा, but I think that apart from learning to love each other, like when you are in a relationship, you learn many other things,
Yeah.
like which are more than love. Yeah, you learn actually how to sacrifice, you learn how to take the shots, you learn to be insecure, and Mantiana when she or he is with someone else, or they are focusing on their career or their family, commitments. You learn to deal with boredom. Like there might be many moments in a relationship where you are like more actually bored, and you don't know like what to talk about, and there might be differences of opinion that might be of me or anything. So you learn to tolerate that, sacrifice many things, be there for each other at your lowest points, and deal with each other's insecurities and demons. So
Demons. That's very heavy.
It's like you learn to deal with your own ego, because if you're in a relationship, if you keep your ego first, it's not going to work. It's the
it
most
comes second all the time.
exactly.
And you have to have a big heart to accept it.
Yeah.
It has to take a back seat.
Yeah, acceptance.
Exactly. I mean, if you guys are fighting and you know that the other person is right, and still you're ignoring her for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, fuck this shit, I'm not going to reply first or I'm not going to apologize first, it's not going to work out. So after a point, you need to learn to apologize. कि हाँ ठीक है यार, मेरी गलती है, तेरी गलती है.
सीख लिया इसने इसने सीख लिया
पर क्या फायदा हो मेरा हाथ no but and also so like we spoke about Malki, and you do all these things, you keep your ego aside, you sacrifice, you learn to ignore and tolerate and jo bhi etc. and in fact when you like do this wholeheartedly with no expectations and things like that, so and I think that is the moment when you know that okay, I actually love her, and then you learn to love her.
yeah
And that happens on a very like wow
ब्रो ये तू ये डाल टिंडर प्रोफाइल में डाल तू ये ब्रो कि पार्ट टाइम राइटर
full time number. Now Udwal, please your 2 cents on this.
yeah I think I have a slightly different opinion. I think like so there are people who take time to get into a relationship, and then there are people who jump into a relationship. I feel like the latter people are people who are mostly attracted by the factors on surface. Maybe it's looks or yeah, or any other physical features. I think it's very much driven by what is visible to you. I feel like for people who are taking time, you can either get to know the person, be friends with them, and then things work out. If you date, I think that has a higher chance of lasting. But I feel like in that, if you are probably seeing someone, in the process you find something which is like a total non-negotiable. Like I've dated girls, for example, a common trait used to be that like they were not really into talking about the problems. Like I'm being an extrovert, I'm the polar opposite of that. I feel like apart from like the serious relationships, when I actually tried dating a girl like that, it just didn't work out. And even before we committed, I think we decided to like part our ways. Because certain things are non-negotiables, and I think it's best to address the non-negotiables. Because it's not always that you're going to fall in love first and then let these non-negotiables go, which is already very hard. I don't think so it happens like very often. That you're going to probably find someone who is so damn good for you that you will be like, okay, these are my problems. They have always been, but I'm very okay to ignore.
And it's not going to be that case. Even if you know all the problems, after a couple of years, you might find something new, and you'll have to deal with it rather than just running away from it.
Yeah, but I think like if in the initial time, if you see that the non-negotiables are not working out, like if you don't like someone who is, for example, an introvert, which is totally fine, like your vibes not matching. If someone's an extrovert, I think it's okay to not really just get into a relationship.
This opinion, so this opinion was about relationships, right? So I'm like technically like with Gen Z, but my mind I'm like a core boomer, in a proper boomer. I didn't know that there is a difference between dating and relationships. कि वो dating एक अलग चीज है, और like being in this relationship is a entirely एक तो अलग चीज है.
Yeah.
तो मेरे को नहीं मालूम था. आई थॉट दोनों सेम ही चीज है, इंटरचेंजेबली यूज करते होंगे. तो मेरे को एक बार मैं लास्ट से लाइक आई वाज डूइंग दिस अपना इंटर्नशिप एट वन प्लेस. सो दिस गाय फ्रॉम IIT मद्रास हैड कम. ठीक है, वो भी अपन इंटर्नशिप लाया था. हम लोग एक बार लंच कर रहे एंड लाइक वी आर टॉकिंग, ही इज 2 years यंगर टू मी, और मेरे को ऐसा बता रहा है. तो मैंने बोला अच्छा अलग है. तो ऐसा मेरे को जज करके देख रहा है. तो मैंने बोला अच्छा क्या फ़र्क है. तो मेरे को बोलता है किसी डेटिंग मतलब कि लाइक यू आर गोइंग आउट विथ हर and you kind of just like each other and you're all related. So for you all are dating. And in a relationship means you all are dead serious and you're in love. मतलब मेरे को तो एक ही टाइप मालूम था कि प्यार में है तो डेट कर रहे हैं. मतलब I just felt like for me I'll date, like even date someone if I like really like her or like एकदम love her.
But it's just fucking different ways of saying you're scared of commitment, bro. Dating,
I agree. There is a difference.
तभी हम मतलब कि I didn't know. तो मेरे को मतलब कि इसके लिए अभी ओपिनियन मिल गया रिलेशनशिप. तो my so फिर मैंने just read this opinion for the first time. So my reaction was कि I'm getting in a relationship only when I love her. तो you learn to love her वाला मेरे को तो नहीं मालूम, क्योंकि मेरे को मालूम है मैंने बहुत इसके साथ जैसे रह के ट्रायल एंड एरर बहुत हो चुका है कि अब मतलब सारे पत्ते सामने हैं. मेरे को मालूम है कि फिर what shit I'm getting into. उसके बाद भी like there are so many compromises and अभी सब लोग सब बात की है ना like life tolerating stuff ठीक है ऐसा like अभी but for me I've already learned to love one पहले इसके लिए I'm in a relationship with her.
Yeah.
वरना बाकी you तो लो मैं नहीं बाकी मेरे पास नहीं है time.
Our generation has made it very complicated, man. Dating, situationship, relationship. I mean, okay, I get it. Like, everyone can't be in a relationship. Like, you have different feelings, whatever. But to define dating as dating, like, oh, you're not in love, and relationship as relationship, it's very complicated, man. Either you are together or you're not. Simple.
वो बहुत बारीक जाती है.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि ये उच्च विचार है मतलब नो डाउट बट आई थिंक सो लाइक आई हैड दिस debate, this conversation with like 100 people and like whenever someone says they abhi aaj ke time mein to they start with saying this ki I'm maybe a Gen Z but I have a boomer mindset or like I think like a millennial and all. I think there is a difference. I don't think so both of them are like separate but I think dating like a relationship is followed by dating. Like I would still consider if I'm just trying it out. That the whole thing about, you know, you finding that person and then falling for her or that person falling for you, all that, it's really more serious if you think about it. But you're not always going to find someone whom you met and you like got like you just started admiring them and there is this passion, chemistry and oh damn, you just clicked and that's it. That both you all have that, you know, attraction where you all feel like, oh maybe like this is what you're looking for. But you don't. Yeah, right. So that doesn't come from the start every time, especially if you're putting yourself out.
So I mean,
And one and
yeah, so you're just going out with someone you like. So why do you need to define it as dating? Like,
I feel like
you're not together.
no, but then for example, when I was dating in college, I feel like it started off as both of us not knowing if it's going to really, you know, go the distance or it's going to turn out to be this serious. But I feel like the first 2 months were very much like we're dating, like, you know, first 4-5 months in fact.
Oh, you're like smooth.
Yeah, everything was there. But I feel like relationship has more weightage than dating.
But हाँ मतलब कि जहाँ तक मेरे को समझ रहा है if I could put it in like simple Hindi words
हाँ.
कि like हर एक का अपना अपना in terms of preference है like if you're with your significant other है ना and like तुम दोनों ने ऐसा लाइफ में बोल दिया है कि ठीक है हम दोनों like we like each other बट अगला 2-3 महीना देखते कि ये ऐसा में
that is
still go out and we do stuff etc.
मतलब वो बहुत कॉलेज वाला डेफिनेशन हो गया ये कि इट्स इफ यू आर गेट टुगेदर और नॉट टुगेदर बिकॉज इन कॉलेज इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग टू डेट समवन यू आर मोस्टली गोइंग टू मीट दैट पर्सन एवरी डे बट व्हेन यू आर आउट ऑफ कॉलेज स्पेशली इन योर मिड 20s or even late 20s if you're putting yourself out there is a higher chance you're going to find someone through like Bumble or Tinder or some party or some other thing wherein you probably have a couple of conversations, it goes well, both of you all seem to be mature, there's a vibe match, and you all start going out. You all are exclusive, but you all haven't really decided the terms yet. But you all are still exclusive, you all are still meeting.
तो अपन निखिल वही बोल रहा है कि फिर by the terms.
yeah, why the terms? Like, you
It's not a relationship. No, then like you all are still not decided a lot of things. Like you are taking a decision to basically enjoy the
Most अभी भी
so you're just like you like someone, you have a crush. Exactly, bro. Like,
कभी kiss कर देते हैं, make out कर देते हैं.
yeah, you're hanging out with your crush. And like,
again, who knows that person's your crush? वो ये ना कि then I feel like these are also labels. या तो like you know there is one definitive girlfriend का tag that we give or else there is a crush का tag that we give. But ये दो situations के अलावा भी तो अपन date करते हैं ना. Like you just find someone, you meet that person for a couple of times, 2-3 times, then you know you start like talking. There is a lot of texting and that talking phase is going on very strong. Is that enough to really call it in and get into a relationship?
So I think like for both me and Nikhil, like you know for whatever stuff has happened with us in terms of girls, it has always been very natural.
correct.
Like we never had to go out like on like 10 dates and फिर just see कि अच्छा ये है फिर कैसी है and
Yeah.
like in his case she is his like एकदम childhood best friend.
Yeah.
So he knows her in and out. Like the last time I was with someone was at school. So I knew her in and out. वो मेरी partner थी आगे पीछे बैठते थे. So it was like very natural and like very mutual. तो मतलब कि वो फिर डेटिंग वाला फेज कभी हम दोनों ने
Exactly, and it's like
इससे बाहर एक बार निकल जाते हैं फिर तो I think you have these terms that you get exposed. Like for example, when I was in the UK, I don't say that I was in a relationship with a girl. I think I was dating that person. So I don't know how much of a red flag that would make me, but
No, it's
normal. Yeah, it's not a red flag.
months into that, we were having fun. We were sort of exclusive, you know. We were like there was this talking phase. Everything was going very strong, but like there were too many things which I was not very sure about. When I used to rationally think, "Yo, am I into this?" Like I liked her, but I didn't really think I was in love with her. Yeah, it was too soon. And bro, turns out 3 महीने के बाद नहीं चला.
The next opinion is again about relationships or dating, what I should supposed to call it. So it states that relationships are for people who have their life together. You have no business dating if you're fighting demons and losing.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, 100% I agree. I think if you were honestly, fighting your own demons, I think that's very heavy. But if you have too many issues already going on, I feel like then either you're going to indirectly, subconsciously also look for that other person as your kanda, like, your shoulder to cry, or like your therapist indirectly. And I feel like that's like very sucky. Matlab, now in today's time, I don't think so. That's very relevant, like to people's dating preferences. I feel like if you have too many struggles that you need to overcome, you have certain problems and all, it's best that you become like a better version and then start dating. और ना तो मेरे को फिर वही लगता है कि लोग they just find a therapist in their partners.
This literally happened with me. मतलब नंदे के टाइम पे भी जब मतलब 18 years के थे जब हम डेट कर रहे थे, I was like यार no personality and it didn't work out. Like after 5-6 months it just wasn't working out because कुछ था ही नहीं. मतलब ऐसे खुद के इतने problems है, shy, can't talk properly, like can't talk to people, can't go out, like I'm so introverted. तो नहीं जमा कि ऐसे bro, like I am only not happy with myself, how can I expect my partner to be happy with me? So like after like COVID happened and then I started reading whatever, तो अपने आप ही वो एक vibe आ गया कि ठीक है वो I'm growing personally and I found someone who is also growing मेरे साथ ही. So it's like the other person is pushing you to be a better person, and he is literally trying to make you the best version of yourself. So that is the most important thing कि अगर तुम खुद से कुछ नहीं हो, खुद के इतने प्रॉब्लम्स है, तो तुम ऐसे दूसरों में भी धके रहोगे, खुद के इनसिक्योरिटीज बोलोगे कि ब्रो यू आर ऑल्सो, आई मीन यू आर ugly, निकालोगे इनसिक्योरिटीज इन सम वे और द अदर. So I totally agree with it. Like fuck your demons, bro. Like solve your shit first.
like correctly. So even I agree, and the key word like for me here is losing. I think that everyone has their what problems, insecurities, issues, demons, like in any form and in any way, right?
Yeah.
But if you're not able to deal with them, and you like with yourself are like you're losing at that front, and so you may end up for burdening that other person and your other ass.
Yeah.
कि मतलब कि and then like she'll be like कि मतलब कि ये साला बस रोता रहता है, डिप्रेशन में रहता है ऐसा, and he is not taking any measures to to cure himself or to be a better person or to just to fight back.
I'll tell you. So, like, my sister's elder sister, she's a psychologist. She very nicely puts it, very short and simple. She says that if your partner has both, happiness and some issues too that he or she brings to the table, that is fine. That's a balanced relationship. Your partner is giving you happiness, and then they have their baggage. If your partner has just happiness to give and no baggage, hold on tight to them because you find them rare. That's just rare. But if your partner just has baggage to give you, bro, then you pack your bags and you leave. Because like it's not for us. Like, it's not for us to be the best person, like problem solvers in their lives. But maybe then from being a partner, you just very quickly become a problem solver because their life is like a hustle. Their life is like an all-time fight that is going on.
Yeah.
So maybe just like become a better version, because that's what I have seen. If you become a better version of yourself, then you also end up attracting like better people.
And the example that you mentioned over here, the example, you have a lot of obstacles and a lot of battles to deal.
Yeah.
And that other person is just there for helping you out and once you are all sorted and cured, you break up and leave. That are worst kind of people. Worst, literally worst kind of people. And you sit there, right? I was like nothing.
Exactly.
I wanted to cry on. I was just a therapist. I was like whatever. Like free food, free sex, whatever you just want to term it. Like in whatever way. And now you're all एकदम sorted, very happy. Okay, चलो मैं अब निकल करता हूँ.
मेरा तो एक्चुअली हो गया है. मैं जाता हूँ, मेरे को एक्चुअली ये भी कोई पसंद है जो अभी मैं उसको कर सकता हूँ.
जीपे लेके आओ.
वैसे I don't think peeing is that bad, but ऐसे सबके कुछ होते हैं. So last question I'm going to ask, like, what's the biggest turn off? Like, you can't do this. Like, मतलब होगा ही नहीं मेरे से कि one thing that your partner or the person, मतलब ये इसको rate नहीं करूँगा. So I'll be the winner. For me, that one thing is body hair. Like, I'm totally okay with I'm chicken yeah. So it's not like so
Oh, that is where it comes from.
तो यही बोल रहा था कि ऐसे I'm okay with the girls who don't want to shave, like grow hair. I'm completely okay, but I wouldn't be with someone who does that. So, and it's not like I'm like, okay, you need to be clean, I can be hairy. It's like I only don't like being hairy. So it's very it makes me uncomfortable. I feel unhygienic. So I would expect my partner to do the same. I would date someone who is also of the same opinion कि हाँ मेरे को भी करना चाहिए. So this is the one thing. If you're hairy, bro,
This is that क्या होगा viewers. Almost है.
तू काफी शूट करता है ना, तू थोड़ा ध्यान रख ये चीज का.
ये को ठीक.
जैसे बंदों के तो बहुत नॉर्मल है, मतलब ऐसे देखना है, बट ऐसे आई डोंट नो, इट्स जस्ट गर्ल्स का. हाँ, गर्ल्स का मैं बंदों के साथ नहीं सोता हूँ.
I have another thing, but I think this is also one more thing that I wouldn't want. Like, I think like my preference when it comes to women, like it's completely fine if you want to keep body hair, but like he said, I wouldn't really be the person who would be okay with it. Yeah, but it's like I'll say something else apart from this, but this is something which I get because I feel like this is also something which a lot of people will be like, yo, how can you be not like, you need to be flexible, how can you not be so open, stuff like that. But I feel like it's very much in place for someone to feel like this. For me, it's I think very simple. It's infidelity, like that. I can that issue.
Yeah.
If the person has cheated once, then it's done. It's game over. Like I'm not gonna continue. Even if you like literally you bringing the sun, moon and stars to the table, still like भाई वो तो नहीं हो पाएगा. तू cheat तुमने किया है मतलब it's done. Thanks man, it was really nice. This is great. मजा आया. I think we can do this often.
Yeah. Back from Sudan.
And some other stories for sure.
I think there is much more in.
Yes, more to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.